everyone, this is your Babu from 6th standard. I hope you all are doing for today.
This is Gainasri, studying in 4th standard. Shortly we have one of charming and prime activity seminar.
Our students are waiting with their unique presentations.
Now without further ado,
Let's invite Venkatrani from 6th standard to say about one of the sense organ, that is ear.
good morning all of you. This is Rani from 6th standard in Sri Shantiniketan English Medium School, Gorinta. Every human should know about their own body parts. Now I am tell about one of the organ in human body, that is ear. The human ear has three main parts that works together to enable hearing: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear gathers sound waves. The middle ear amplifies and transmits them, and the inner ear converts these vibrations into electrical signals that the brain interprets as sound. Outer ear, panna, the visible curved part of the ear that helps collect and funnel sound waves into the ear canal. External auditory meters, a tube-like passage that carries sound waves to the eardrum. Tympanic membrane, a thin cone-shaped membrane that vibrations when sound waves hit it. The middle ear, ossicles, three tiny bones that amplifies and transmits the vibrations from the cardum to the inner ear. A station tube, a tube that connects the middle ear to the back of the throat, helping to equalize pressure between the middle ear and the outside atmosphere. The inner ear, cochlea, snail-shaped fuel-filled structure containing hair cells that convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals. Auditory nerves carries the electrical signals from the cochlea to the brain. Vestibular system, also located in the middle ear. This system is responsible for balance and special orientation. This is about ear inner structure. Thank you. Really fantastic explanation. Join your hands and cheer up.